Good morning. There are some reports that the simple face mask which we are using during the time of this corona pandemic, and which is, you can say, mandatory in India. So this simple face mask in the may just help India to fight against another fatal disease, a very old disease, that is tuberculosis. And there are some reports that this face mask, which is now compulsory, may help India to eliminate tuberculosis, which is a very old disease in India, by 2025. The mask may help, because tuberculosis is a disease where a person who get infected by this bacteria, they don't get the patient or the person who get infected by this bacteria and who suffer tuberculosis don't generally have any symptoms. But symptoms, when the symptom comes out, it's like you can say coughs come out with sometime with blood, weight lose, night sweat in the night, and fever. These are the symptoms which comes in a later part, but normally they don't show too much symptoms. But this tuberculosis spread very fast. This tuberculosis spread very fast, and if we make mask as a routine, just like we find in Japan, then India can eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. India is a home of 25% of all tuberculosis patient in the world. Means, you can say, if 100% tuberculosis patient are there in the world, 25% of 25 patients are there in India only. So you can say, and it's a very old disease, and WHO, World Health Organization, has given a deadline of 2030 to eliminate tuberculosis, but the Indian government has given a deadline of 2025 to eliminate tuberculosis from India. But at the same time, if we see, during the time of pandemic, the people are wearing masks, and people are sanitizing their hand, they are becoming more hygienic, so it is helping to eliminate tuberculosis, because the bacteria of tuberculosis are not spreading. Now private sector doctors are saying that the number of tuberculosis cases has come down, because people are wearing masks. They are not going out, they are staying in home, and so that means staying in home and not wearing mask is helping not to spread the bacteria of tuberculosis. At the same time, people are very cautious now, because on television it's every time it's showing if a person is suffering with cold and cough, immediately if the person should go to the doctor and do the checkup. The fear of COVID is also there, so due to this awareness of checking, if you are suffering from cold and cough, then people are not waiting for more than 2 weeks or so. They are going for the checkup, and if the tuberculosis is detected in early stage, then the medical process are going fast. So that is also very positive. Now some officials also says that tuberculosis is spread through droplets, and this COVID also spread through droplet. Means this is both corona and tuberculosis bacteria both are spread through droplet, and and when they spread inside a room or something, it's spread very fast, and yes, some people are saying that wearing a mask is helping to eliminate tuberculosis to a certain extent, but they cannot say that only mask is only helping to eliminate tuberculosis, because if you wear when we cough, if we wear handkerchiefs also, that also will not able to that will not allow the bacteria to spread. But at the same time, if you see, if we follow, if right now, if our Indian government target is 2025 to eliminate tuberculosis, and people wear mask which they are using to fight against coronavirus as a routine thing, and at the same time do sanitization, wearing mask, and follow the cough etiquettes, I mean how to cough, no need to sneeze on when lots of people are there, then whenever you want to sneeze with handkerchiefs, this kind of things if we follow, then it is possible that we in India can achieve the target of eliminating tuberculosis by 2025. Now this use of masks could have impact TB epidemic in India in two ways, you can say, because this COVID has exposed the weak public healthcare sector. You can understand, the COVID has exposed the weak healthcare sector. Now when government will spend more money on healthcare sector, then that will benefit the tuberculosis control program in India. This is the COVID has this is one factor, and the second is that wearing of mask is an infection control measure. We are wearing mask because not to spread the infection. You can see the surgical masks had been said, N95 mask was there, but there was a chance of spreading the virus for asymptomatic. So as a whole, we are wearing masks right now just not to spread any bacteria and virus. Now people of India should, if they make as a routine thing for a quite a longer period of time, wearing a mask, sanitizing, taking proper care of hygiene. Hygiene is a very important factor which we don't see too much in India. That's why Narendra Modi government always focus on Swachh Bharat, Swachh Bharat and Swachh Bharat. So if we wear mask, follow the etiquettes of coughing and hygiene factor. Now if these things we do, and we make a part of our life, then India can achieve the target to eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. WHO has given a target till 2030, but India can eliminate it by 2025. So the mask which we are using to fight against this deadly coronavirus may help India to eliminate tuberculosis by 2025. Thank you very much.